Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Shain game Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do what to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cards built on the BSC Shain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So Shain game has been on for a while and you have just 6 days left to mine, as mining will stop in 6 days time. So let's get started. The link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. When you click on the link, all you need to do is click on Start. Then click on Play on Shain Start. Welcome to Shain game alpha test. Tap and end Shain links for extra on-chain coin airdrop points. Continue. Use Shain links to upgrade your level. Continue. Invite friends for 10% referral bonus. Continue. Welcome to Shain game. Now you are ready to start your journey. Play. So here is how it works. The bronze at the top shows your league, while the energy level, your current energy level is 500. There's a way to increase it, and the highest energy level is about 64,000. The squad at the bottom shows how you can either create a squad or join one. Creating a squad, you get to earn 5% of your members' earnings. While joining a squad, there are no rewards for doing that. But if you have enough referrals, you can just create a squad to get more points. The league, the feature is temporarily disabled as you are working on it. The boost, about the energy level we talked about, you can increase it here. As you can see it at the bottom, increase energy limits to 1000. You can increase it. The highest energy limit you can increase to is 64,000. While base per click is your tapping speed, you can increase it. And there's also auto clicker that you can buy to mine for you when you are offline. For the restore energy, you can restore your energy once a day. That's why it's advisable to boost. So after boosting, imagine after boosting to 64,000, you can get 64,000 coins in 24 hours. Then you can still restore your energy to get extra 64,000 coins. So here is our Telegram channel. They have about 1.7 million subscribers. As you can see, it's just 6 days left to mine Shain game. So let's go back. There are some quests here. Trust Wallet. They partnered already with Trust Wallet. They partnered with OKS. So here are some quests you can engage to earn extra in-game points, as they'll be launching soon. So I'll advise you to boost. You can boost for about a day or two, so your mining rate will increase. Since there's no much time left to mine, just boost for about a day or two, then start mining. Now let's go back. About this diamond that's shown at the top, as you're mining your Shain game, the diamond will just come out, and when you click on it, you can either gift it to a friend or use it to boost your squad if you have one. But if you don't have, you can only gift it to a friend. About the referrals, you can share your referral link with your friends and earn 10% from their earnings. Here you can find your referrals. So guys, here is their Twitter page, their Telegram, and their W page. So that's all about Shain game mining. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.